But this is the magic of the system. This right here. This controls all of this and that as well. This is an essential part of every home theater that has multiple components, and this is a staple of every one of our installs. It makes everything very easy and straightforward to control. So we just finished this home theater and it was a slight upgrade. We changed out the projector and we swapped out some of the equipment that's sitting down here. But I just want to show you guys what we did with the control system. So if you take a look here, you're going to notice that there's quite a bit of equipment. First, we have the Xfinity right here. Then we have 2 DVD players, and we have the receiver, which controls all 7 speakers inside the zone. So basically how it works is if you turn it on, you go to main. Depending on what you want to watch, there's 2 things here now. There's either the Xfinity or the Blu-ray. So how it works is if you turn it on, you go to main. Depending on what you want to watch, there's 2 things here now. There's either the Xfinity or the Blu-ray player. If you hit Xfinity, what it does is it'll turn on the projector and turn on everything else that it needs to turn on so that you can see the picture on screen. So if you look at the inputs, you're going to see the controls. You see the channel up, channel down, and you can also see the Xfinity button, the replay, search, and these are all basic controls that you need to typically control the Xfinity. And then down here you have your volume, you have your channel, you have your mute. So basically you turn the volume up, volume goes up and down, and it doesn't matter what input you're on, this will always work. If you go to the guide, it's going to pull up the guide, click exit, exits. If it changes the channel, this basically controls everything that's there. If you wanted to now watch the DVD player, all you do is go home, change it to Blu-ray, and the receiver basically adjusts the input, and you see it's changed the input to DVD right there. This is the DVD, and you can skip forward, play. It does everything. It changes the volume. You can access the menu for the DVD player. And the final thing that this does is there's a power button, there's a system power off. If you hit that, it turns it all off. Everything is off. And this is why this is so powerful. And it not only does this, it can control pretty much most of the electrical components in the home, but that's a video for another day. Hope you guys have learned something from this.